Hello there and welcome to another 1 minute English video from Lexical Lab. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and please check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This afternoon I'm going to meet an old mate of mine for a late lunch. It's a friend I haven't seen for quite a long time. And when I was trying to organise the meetup, I messaged him saying that we hadn't seen each other for ages. And he wrote back explaining that he'd been really ill and that's why he'd been out of circulation. If you say that someone is out of circulation, you basically mean they're not taking part in any kind of social activities. They're out of social circulation. They're away from their normal social activities. So it's often used to talk about people who've been ill. So you hear things like, for about the first 8 months after my baby was born, I was completely out of circulation. Yeah, she's had long COVID for the last 1.5 years, and that's why she's basically been out of circulation. After her accident, she was out of circulation for ages. It's also used sometimes as a kind of euphemistic way of talking about prison. So, maybe if you take the most prolific career criminals out of circulation, by putting them in prison, then maybe crime will drop quite dramatically in certain areas. You sometimes see it in gangster movies and things as well, where someone says, "Hey Jimmy, haven't seen you for ages, where you been?" "I've been out of circulation, mate." Meaning, I've been inside, I've been in prison. It's also sometimes used to talk about sports players, footballers, athletes who maybe have suffered really bad knee injuries or back injuries, and so they're out of circulation for quite some time. And personally, I'm going to be out of circulation for much of the next month because I'm trying to take most of August off and get a little bit of rest and relaxation. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use out of circulation.